We begin with breaking news. A woman is suffering from some serious injuries tonight after police say that she was struck by several vehicles along the downtown connector near University Avenue. Fox 5's Claire Sims is live near the scene. And Claire, what do investigators say happened here?
Well, Tom, at this point, investigators haven't given out a lot of details. They just say this woman was crossing the road when she was struck by maybe 3 cars. Only one of those, we're told, stopped here at the scene. But take a look. Right now, I want to show you traffic is moving at this hour here along the downtown connector. This all happened around probably sometime before 8:30 or so. And traffic obviously came to a standstill as investigators came out here. Take a look at some of the video from earlier tonight. Again, according to Atlanta police, we're told that there was a female pedestrian who was trying to cross from the right shoulder and go towards the northbound lanes. She was hit by, they believe at this point, 3 cars. One of those cars pulled over and stopped at the scene. And we talked to one woman who said she was right there when all of this happened.
It happened so fast. It was like boom, boom, boom. And then she was just like, and I was like, oh my God. And I just closed my eyes because I knew I was going to hit her. And I did not want to run over her. I slammed on my brakes with my eyes closed because I thought I was going to hit this lady, and I did not hit her. Then bam. And the cars were flying. She was just laying there in front of me, and then cars just started. But the car, it kept on going.
Paramedics transported that injured pedestrian to Grady Memorial Hospital, where at last check, Atlanta police told us that she is still in critical condition. So far, they have not identified her, although that witness we talked to said that she did have a purse on her, and they believe that her ID was on her. So, of course, they're going to try to notify her family and all of that about exactly what happened here.